So starting the test drive in this Durango RT, really powerful vehicle. Of course, it has a 5.7 liter V8. But just really strong powertrain. And a really fun SUV to drive. I've driven I think it was a 21 RT Blacktop, and that was just, it sounded good, it was fast, and this is no different. And I have it in sport mode now just because that's the way to drive these. You're getting 14 miles per gallon city, 20 highway, so saving on fuel shouldn't really be a big deal. But even just downshifting, it's really fun. You just have a really, really powerful engine. But overall, the Durango is, I feel like, a vehicle that's slept on a lot because it really doesn't have a home. I feel like you can't really compare this with the Highlander or the Pilot or the Tahoe because it's in its own little realm. It's meant to mostly be a cool looking performance SUV, and that's really where Chrysler has gone over the years. And that what makes these really fun is going to be just the power you get. And these are just really meant to be fun SUVs. You're not worried about your gas mileage if you have the auto stop and all that other stuff. You're just wanting something fun to drive that looks nice, and it just so happens to be able to haul a few things or tow a little bit and hold your kids, haul them to and from soccer practice. But you really get this because you want something that's really fun to drive with a mean, aggressive look and just a mean, aggressive presence to it all the way around. And I like how smooth the shifts are and how quick they are as well. And I mean, that exhaust is fantastic. So I'm gonna test it out here. Yeah, like I said, for an SUV, really, really fast. Of course, it's no Hellcat, but it still scoots. And then I love the exhaust sound. You put your foot into it. And it's just off to the races. So let's try the adaptive cruise on now. So keeping that safe distance between the vehicle in front of me and myself. I'm going to turn the sport mode off now. But a really nice ride coming down the interstate, surprisingly. I would expect with a more sport-driven SUV that it would be a little stiffer, but no, it rides really, really well. So I'm going to put it back into the normal drive mode now. And final thoughts on the Durango RT. Like I said, there's really nothing that can touch it in terms of just what it is, unless you get a top of the line performance SUV. But I mean, just really fun. Not gonna destroy the bank, still expensive. But still really good option if you're more performance oriented. And this will bring me to the end of my review of the new 2023 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop.